1600 meters, gates open, they're up and racing. Capricciosa draws for your lead is Spellbinder. South Pearl moving up in between runners, followed by Bagong Silang Showmaster. Don Alejandro, Wonder Pop, Slam Shots, there goes 1A, Iscan Missile, then comes Cat May, and Bruno is the early trailer as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. South Pearl by a long neck, running by the rail Capricciosa. Down in third, Bagong Silang Showmaster. Iscan Missile now moving a party outside together with his Spellbinder, Don Alejandro. Cat May, Slam Shots moving up by the rail, Wonder Pop, and Bruno is still in behind them going towards the last 600. It's still South Pearl maintaining a length and a half lead. Running in second, Capricciosa moving up is Spellbinder. Iscan Missile moving up by the rail as they turn towards the last 450. It's still entry number 3, and this one is South Pearl by about 3 lengths. Spellbinder is second, moving up by the rail once again. Is entry number 1, Capricciosa. Iscan Missile is on the outside with the last 200 meters more to run. It's still South Pearl, Spellbinder, Capricciosa is by the rail with the last 100 meters. Spellbinder now doing the better over South Pearl, and finally Spellbinder. South Pearl, Cat May, 1A, Iscan Missile, Capricciosa, Bruno, Slam Shots. There goes number 7, Showmaster, Bagong Silang, Wonder Pop, and Don Alejandro.